Okay, so yeah, let's say I have these two curves, f of x and g of x, right? And so if I want to figure out which one I should make as my like top function, or which one I should make f of x, so right, the area is the integral from a to b, where this is a, this is b, f of x minus g of x. Think about how you normally calculate area, right? So if I gave you a box, it would be height times width, right? That's how you would calculate the area. And you would expect height to be positive. And so if I look at the height between these two functions, I want it to be positive when I actually get the value, right? So I want this length right here to be positive. And the way you get positive values is by doing the more, like the bigger number minus the smaller number, right? Where you have f of b minus f of a. And so that's why you do the top function is f when you're integrating with respect to x. So this is with respect to x. Then f of x is the top and g of x is the bottom. But then when you're integrating with respect to y, so if I kind of draw all of this out again, oops. So here's, I'll call this f of y, and I'll call, looks like a bracket, that g of y. And if I want to find the area between these two curves, then my height, you kind of have to think about it sideways. And so your height is going to be given by this right here, right? So this is going to be your height, while this is now your width, which is why you need to find, this is A now, and this is B. And then this is f of A, and this is f of B. And so you want to do the same thing, right? You want to get positive height. And when you're looking at the x-axis, right, to find your height, you look at the x-axis, you want to do, again, the bigger number minus the smaller number. And so that means, oh, you know what, here, I need to switch g and f then. Sorry. But so yeah, that means this is the top, which is actually left or right now. So not top, but right. And then this is left. Does that help, Jennifer? Okay.